Happy New Year's, everyone. I am Jake Locksmith Services, Jacksonville, Florida, USA, United States of America. Today is January 3rd, 2022. Yes, indeed. I just got my new key machine. Am I the only American person have this key machine? I just got it. 2M2 Magic Tank key cutting machine. Yes, indeed. Just got it. There go all the little gadgets and stuff came with it. There go all the boxes and stuff I tore away. Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. Take this little skirt off here. American people, American locksmiths. There she go. Look how beautiful she is. 2M2 Magic Tank key machine. Magic Tank key machine 2M2. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna make another video putting it together and everything. I just got it today, Monday morning. America, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Jake Locksmith Service. Yes, indeed. All the stuff right there. I'll be making another video. Come on, America, let's get this machine.